Back in 2004, when I first started teaching at Franciscan University, I was faced with the challenge of how do you keep a whole classroom of, say, 50, 18 to 20-year-olds awake for 75 minutes when you're talking about the Old Testament. I looked around the room and saw all these blackboards and got the idea that, hey, maybe we can draw salvation history. Well, that was the beginning of Bible Basics for Catholics. This is a short little book that uses stick figures and other drawings to literally draw the story of salvation history and come to understand the sweep of the Bible from Genesis through Revelation, and especially how it points to the Eucharist and the Catholic Church. I think you're going to love it.